Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. The weather has turned nice and chilly and it's time for some winter warmer soup. So today I am going to show you a very simple and easy soup. It's called the Lemon Coriander Soup. So let's get started. Let's add some oil to the pan. The oil is hot. I'm going to add some garlic to it. Let's add some ginger. Give it a good mix. We'll fry it till lightly golden. As you can see, the ginger and garlic has changed color slightly. At this point, I'm going to add some onions. Let's cook the onion till translucent. The onions have cooked. I'm going to add some coriander stems. Let's give it a good mix. To give the soup a little bit of spice, I'm going to add some finely chopped green chillies. It's now time to add some water. Give it a good mix and wait till it comes to a boil. The soup has come to a boil. I'm now going to add some soya sauce, some pepper powder, a little bit of sugar, salt to taste. Now let's add some vegetables. Baby corn, you can use the regular sweet corn too. Next goes in French beans, carrots, cabbage, finely chopped green capsicum. Give it a quick mix and let it boil till all the vegetables are cooked. It will take around 5 to 8 minutes. The vegetables look cooked. I'm going to add some tofu to this. You can always add paneer if you want. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, some fresh coriander leaves. Let's give it a good mix. And finally, the last ingredient, fresh lemon juice. And now to give the soup some thickness and body, I'm going to add some corn flour slurry. Mix it well and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and our soup will be ready to be served. And it's done. This soup looks simply divine and is irresistible. So do give this a try and let us know in the comment section how it turned out.